Jai Hind to all my dear students. So today I am here with new chapter number 2, fraction. So fraction, as we are learning since from the smaller classes fraction. Okay, fraction since from class 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in class 7 we are learning the same chapter. Now a small. First of all, I will revise few related topic here. Fraction, as we know, fraction, it is comprises of numerator and denominator. It is made up of, we can say it is made up of numerator and denominator. So fraction can be written in the form of numerator by denominator. Fraction will be of different types. Okay, fraction will be of different types. I wrote few of fractions here: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, others, so on. So we have learned these things in lower classes. The different types of fractions we have learned in different classes. Now in class 7 especially, we gonna discuss especially about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of different types of fraction. See here. So our first topic is addition and subtraction of fraction. So how two fractions can be added? How two fractions can be subtracted? How it can be multiplied? How it can be subtracted? Two fractions or more than two fractions can be subtracted. More than two fractions can be added. So these things we'll study in this chapter. Okay. So we'll go with first topic, that is addition and subtraction of fraction. So if I take an example like two fractions, I can take 1 by 5 plus 5, 3 by 10. Okay, so this means there are two fractions we took, 1 by 5 and 3 by 10. And what we do, we'll add these two fractions. What we have to do? We have to add these two fractions. So how we can add these two fractions? So first what we'll do, we'll find the LCM of the denominator. What is denominator here? 5 and here 10. 5, 10. So we find the LCM out here. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 2, 1 1. So as you know, LCM. So use prime number or use division method. So 5 into 2 is equals to 10. We got the LCM 10. So write down 10. Afterwards, what is given in the numerator? Write down that one. 1 multiplied. See here. 5, how much? The 10. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. So multiplied here by 2. 5 2 is 10. See this, with this denominator, how many times this will go? That we have to multiply in the numerator. Similarly, write down plus, then write down 3. Now see, 10, how much the 10? 10 1 is 10. So multiply it by 1. So how much you get? 1 2 is 2 plus 3 1 is 3 by 10. Got that? So how much you get? 2 plus 3, 5 by 10. You can cancel it out. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Answer is 1 by. So this is how the two fraction can be added. Two fraction can be added. Second part, subtraction. Same way, subtraction will be done in the same way. Like, let us take two fraction. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Okay, two fraction we took two fraction, 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. So what we'll do first, we'll take the denominator and we'll find out the LCM by division method. So LCM will be our 2 into 3, 6. Now we got the LCM 6. 1 multiplied 2, how much is 6? 2 3 is 6. Now minus will remain same. 1 we have to write. Then 6, how much is 6? 6 1 is 6. 3 1 is 3 minus 1 1 is 1 by 6. So 3 minus 1, 2 by 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Answer is 1 by 3. So these are 2 examples I have provided you out here. So regarding addition and subtractions of the fraction.